So a very important cognitive function is prediction. And that's what a lot of complaints people have is when they have a concussion, I don't feel like myself. I feel like somebody else. I feel like in a fog. I feel out of sync. I'm not in tune with things. And things become very annoying. Noises become annoying. You become irritable. Your mood changes. You become more jumpy. All those things are from really a lack of prediction. They're kind of like noise canceling sets. You cancel things out because you predict them. But without that, everything comes at you. And so we notice a lot of these symptoms are really from a problem in prediction. And that's what the brain has got to do. And over 80% of the brain cells are geared for prediction. It's a major function. And when you get hit in the head, the main thing that happens is the connections really from the cerebellum that go to the prefrontal cortex involved in higher cognitive thinking and to oculomotor and vestibular get damaged.